Hi, Frank Kane here. I'm excited to report that we just finished up recording for our next course. It's a prep course for the AWS Certified Big Data Specialty exam, and this is one of the most comprehensive courses I've ever worked on. We think it'll be ready on Udemy by mid-April. The AWS Certified Big Data Specialty exam is one of the most challenging certification exams you can take from Amazon. Passing it tells employers in no uncertain terms that your knowledge of big data systems is wide and deep. But even experienced technologists need to prepare heavily for this exam. This course will set you up for success by covering all of the big data technologies on the exam and how they fit together. I've teamed up with Stefan Marek to deliver the most comprehensive and hands-on prep course we've seen. Together, we've taught over 300,000 people around the world, and in this course, we're combining Stefan's depth on AWS with my experience in big data, which I learned during my 9-year career at Amazon itself. And we've both taken and passed the exam ourselves on the first try. Throughout the course, you'll have lots of opportunities to reinforce your learning with hands-on exercises and quizzes. And when you're done, this course includes a practice exam that's very similar to the real exam in difficulty, length, and style, so you'll know if you're ready before you invest in taking it. You want to go into the AWS Big Data Specialty exam with confidence, and that's what this course will deliver. If you haven't already signed up for our mailing list at www.sundog-education.com, be sure to do so. That way you'll be the first to know when it releases, and you'll get the best discount on the course as well. Alright, back to work here. Go subscribe, you don't want to miss this one.